In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add team members and users to your Cloudways account. Whether you're setting up a collaborative work environment or expanding your current team, following these steps will help you smoothly integrate new users into your Cloudways ecosystem. First, let's navigate to the official Cloudways website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or for convenience, click the link provided in this description. You'll be directed to the main Cloudways page. Once there, your first objective is to log in. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen for the login button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure to have those at hand so you can access your account with ease. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Cloudways dashboard. Here, a range of features and settings are at your disposal. For today's purpose, our focus is on managing team collaborations. Towards the top of the dashboard, you'll notice various tabs. Locate and click on the Teams tab. This section is dedicated to administering all team-related actions and settings. Once in the Teams section, take a moment to explore the layout. This area provides an overview of your current team, as well as any pending invitations. Now, to add a new team member, look for the Add Member button. This is usually located prominently, often towards the top right of the team dashboard. Clicking on this will bring up a new dialog box or form. Now, you're ready to fill in the necessary details for your new team member. The form will typically request the user's email address, along with their role within your team. It's crucial to assign the appropriate role to define their permissions and access levels within Cloudways. Take your time to ensure these details match your organizational needs. After filling in the user's information, you'll proceed by sending out an invite. The potential team member will receive an email invitation to join your Cloudways account. They'll need to follow the instructions in this email to accept the invitation and complete their account setup. Encourage your team member to check their inbox or spam folder if the invite isn't immediately visible. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully added a new team member to your Cloudways account. Remember, having a well-structured team setup in Cloudways not only promotes efficiency, but can also enhance communication and project management. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to optimize your Cloudways experience.